Hey guys, it's me, Vihan, and this is just part 2 of Marble Run Tall.
And don't forget me.
Yeah.
No, that's.
This is just part 2 of Marble Run.
Part 3.
No, part 2 of Marble Run Tall Tower.
No, Vihan.
We only did part 1. I didn't upload the other one we recorded.
Why?
I don't know. Guys, this is just part 2. We are just gonna. Part 2, guys. Let's get started. And enough silliness. This is on YouTube, remember?
I know. It's just kind of.
Alright, yeah, come on. Let's put this up. Guys, you will be really excited. We are just. It just broke apart. I just. Whoa! Don't let the marbles go in there!
Got it.
Good.
Sometimes.
You guys should have been there. I'll show you again.
Okay.
This, I'm just gonna. The camera just fell.
That's kind of A.
Alright, guys.
Look at
Hold on, let me hold this. Okay, guys. Hold on, I need to hold it. So, guys, I'm just gonna put this on oh my God, it almost fell.
Yeah, she's good for
Alright, guys. We better get this video to run, or else it's not gonna work.
Wait, Via, you said.
Come on, we just need to hurry and finish.
Hey, I got a joke.
No,
Hey, we have to get the marbles in so they can run in.
so they could run. Oh, that was a good joke. Marble Run Super Set. Whoa! It really fell.
Whoa!
Alright, guys. So,
No, next.
well, we're recording a video.
Duh.
Part 2. So, Ria, you want to do it again? This time you hold the camera and I'll do it. Okay? And make sure you see the balls, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you see the ball. Okay? No, look at the ball. Look at the ball. Second ball. TV almost fell down. Third marble. Fourth marble. Fifth marble. And last marble, sixth. Whoa! Go, Ria.
No!
You can give me that. Here, so here. Here. Thank you. Okay, make sure you still see the ball. All right. Last ball, number 6. So, guys, that is it for all Marble Run Super Set. Me and Ria both broke the course record. We'll see you guys later for another video. Bye.
And make sure to subscribe.
Yep. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button and you'll never miss an episode ever again. Guys, it would be an honor to us.
We're not begging. We're not just.
I'm begging.
Yeah, we're both begging.
I'm begging.
We're not being strict.
I'm not being strict. I just want to be.
Yeah, we just really love making it.
If you guys subscribe, I know we'll be your friends. All right, guys, this is it for now. Bye.